You rely on Mailchimp for email marketing and to help grow your business. You also use Facebook ads to sell stuff and find new customers. What if you could do both in one place? Let's say somehow you could create email marketing and Facebook campaigns all through Mailchimp. Introducing Mailchimp's newest addition to help you sell more stuff, Facebook ads. It's as simple as everything else you do in Mailchimp. The same tools you already use for email marketing can now be used to design and purchase advertisements on Facebook. Your ad can be seen by people you already know, people similar to them, or an entirely new audience that's into whatever you're into. Once your ads are running, you can easily track the sales they generate and every new customer they bring you. That means you can learn, refine, and optimize your email and advertising campaigns to grow your business, all in one place. To top it off, there are no additional fees. What you pay for your ad using Mailchimp is what you pay directly through Facebook. Mailchimp and Facebook, together at last to help you sell more stuff.